Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 955 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. Before we start, you can pair this watch with the Android phone in two ways. The first method is to do it during the setup process of the watch, so basically if the watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, and the second method is to do it via the settings after the watch has been already set up. First I'm gonna show you how to do it during the setup process, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it via the settings. Okay, let's continue with the pairing process. So first we need to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the light button, and you can keep holding it until you see the Garmin logo on the screen. Then you can release it and wait until the watch turns on. As you can see on the screen, we have the list of languages because this watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings. So let's scroll through the list by using the up and down buttons or by using the touchscreen. Find the language you like to use, then select it, and you can press the start button to confirm or just tap on the language to confirm. And as you can see, now we're being asked if we want to pair the watch with a phone. We want to do that, so let's confirm by pressing the start/stop button. The watch should enter the pairing mode. And now you should see this animation. Basically, it means that the watch is in the pairing mode. So we can go back, we can go to our phone now, make sure that we have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once we do, we can open the Google Play Store on our phone, tap on search, type in Garmin Connect, and then tap search. You should see this application, Garmin Connect by Garmin. Tap on the install button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. In the application, you will need to log in into a Garmin account. If you don't have one, you can also tap on create account to make one. I'm just gonna tap on sign in and then check the box, tap next, and then enter the credentials to log in. So give me a couple of seconds. Okay, once we're done, we can tap on next to log in. Right here, we can allow the access for the Garmin Connect application. So let's tap on allow access and then tap on allow. And your app should automatically detect the watch, as you can see. If it doesn't detect the watch automatically, you could try to reboot the watch by pressing and holding the light button rather to turn it off and then to turn it on. You can also re-enter the pairing mode by pressing the back button and then confirming again to enter the pairing mode, and the app should detect the watch automatically. Once it does, you can tap on connected, then tap on allow. Now we need to enter the code from the watch right here, so 038194 and tap on OK. Now we can tap on next. Here we can set up the bedtime, basically when we go to bed and when we wake up. This is useful if you want to use the do not disturb mode during sleep. So basically it will turn on automatically when you go to bed and turn off automatically when you wake up. To set it up, simply tap on the box below the bedtime or wake time. Set the hours by swiping up and down. Then you can tap on the second one and do the same. And once you're done, you can tap on next. And here you can turn on the do not disturb mode during sleep or turn it off. If you tap on no, it will be turned off rather. And if you tap on yes, it will be turned on. Right here we can allow the notification access for the Garmin Connect application. Basically what it does is if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch, you will need to allow this. So if you don't, you can tap on skip and keep it disabled. If you want to receive the notifications on your watch, tap on allow notification access and allow. Next we have the location for the permission. So if you want to track your training like running and stuff like that, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can tap on skip and keep it disabled. I'm just gonna allow it. So I'm gonna tap on allow permissions, scroll down, tap on location, tap on allow while only using the app, go back to the app like this. Next we have calendar access. So if you want to be able to receive the notifications about the calendar events and stuff like that on your watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can skip it. Again, here we have the pop-up about the calendar access. Let's tap on allow. Next we have call logs access. So if you want to receive notifications about who's calling you on your watch or on your phone, but you will receive the notifications on the watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can tap on skip to skip it. Next we have phone call access. Again, if you want to receive the notifications about calls, you need to allow it. If you don't care, you can skip it. And the messages, this is for the messages, of course, you can allow it or skip it. And once you're done with the permissions, you can tap on the sync now button. Tap on finish. And here we have the tutorial how to use our watch. You can go through it by tapping on next, but I'm just gonna tap on skip right here to skip it, then tap on finish. And at this point, you should see the My Day page in the app. Here we're gonna tap on Not Now to skip this, and Not Now, and then tap on Got It. And here we have My Day page. We can tap on Menu icon to open the menu, scroll down, tap on Garmin devices, and here we should see our Forerunner 955. You can also use your watch at this point. It should be usable, as you can see. Okay, so that's how you pair the watch during the setup process. Now I'm gonna unpair it from our phone and do it via the settings. So remove the device, like that. Settings, boom, okay, removed, okay. And now let's pair it via the settings. So let's say we already have the application installed. Now let's enter the pairing mode on our watch. So let's press and hold the up button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu by using up and down buttons. Find the option called connectivity. This one, select it and press the start/stop to enter. Here select phone option and press start/stop. Then scroll down, find the option called pair phone and then press start/stop. This will make your watch to enter the pairing mode. Now we can open the application. You can tap on this add button here or tap on menu, Garmin devices and add device. And the app should automatically detect the watch. You can tap on connect it and follow all the steps we did before. Basically, we won't need to allow or deny the permissions anymore because we already did that first time. But yeah, you need to enter the code. That basically it's the same as we did before, but some of the steps will be missing because we already did them, and you don't need to do them each time you unpair the watch. You'll need to repeat them if you uninstall the application and install it again, basically. Okay, next. Again, we can allow the permission for the location. Like that. Sync now. Finish. And the tutorial, you can skip it or go through it. And here we have our watch. As you can see, it's connected now. So if we go to menu, Garmin devices, where is it? Right here. You will see your Forerunner 955 rather on the list. Okay. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.